And here's I will show you how to stream your game video or gameplay on your YouTube using OBS. First of all, make sure you have installed the OBS Studio on your computer. In my channel, I've already uploaded a video you can watch to learn how to download and install OBS Studio on your computer. So here's my OBS Studio. Now you have to launch the game on your computer that you want to live stream on your YouTube. For example, I'm using this dummy game. So here's once you successfully playing a game and also you have the OBS Studio open. Now in your OBS Studio, first of all, we have to add scene. So click on this plus icon under scenes and give here a scene name and click on OK. Once you have the scene ready, now we have to add sources for scene. So under sources, click on this plus icon and here you can select window capture or display captures. In my case, I'm selecting here window capture and here clicking on OK and click on window, and here you have to select the window or game, which game you want to stream on your YouTube. So here's I'm selecting my game and here capture method, select automatic, and here capture cursor, I'm enabling this option and clicking on OK. And here you can see my game successfully added. And if you want to resize your game screen, you can do it from here. Now go to your YouTube or your browser and go to your YouTube, and from your YouTube click on this create icon, select go live, and here I'm selecting right now because I want to go live YouTube right now. Start, and here we have to select streaming software, so select go, and here you will find your YouTube stream key. Just copy this stream key from here and go back to your OBS Studio, go to settings, select stream, click on services, show all, and from this list you have to scroll down and search for YouTube RTMPS. Select this option and click on use stream key, and in the stream key box just paste your YouTube stream key that we just copied and click on apply. OK, and you have successfully connected your OBS with your YouTube. Now just click on start streaming. Once successfully connected, go back to your YouTube, and here right now I'm in my live, and here we can see my game is live now on my YouTube. So this is how we can actually show our gameplay on YouTube live stream using OBS. And to stop streaming, go back to your OBS and just click on stop streaming, and that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.